Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a common issue that many Android users face. The dreaded "this site can't be reached" error. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective fixes. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about clearing your browsing data. Over time, your browser can accumulate a lot of data which can cause this error. To clear your browsing data, first open your browser on your mobile device. Once you are in, then tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your browser. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, you will see an options that says Settings. So, simply select Settings. Once you are in the settings, now you will see multiple options. Now, scroll down, and you will see an option that says Privacy and Security. Simply head over to Privacy and Security option. Once you are in the Privacy and Security, now you will see first option that says Delete Browsing Data. Simply click on that option. When you click on it, browsing data will be open in front of you. Now, here, you'll want to select Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Tap on the checkboxes next to these options. Once you've done this, then simply tap on the Delete Data button that is in the blue color. After clicking on it, wait for the process to complete, and then check if the issue is resolved. If clearing your browsing data didn't fix the issue, the next step is to use a secure DNS. To do this, again, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your browser, and again go to Settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down, and again click on the Privacy and Security option. Under Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS option. Once you find it, simply click on it. Once you are in the Use Secure DNS settings, now select the Choose Another Provider radio button, and then another option will appear. In the option, click on the little arrow. When you click on the arrow, a small menu will appear. Now, in the menu, tap on the Open DNS option. Now, go and check if problem is solved. Still not working? Let's try selecting your network manually. First, close your browser, and then head to your phone settings. Once you are in the settings, now you have to find an option that says SIM and Network Settings. Once you find that option, click on it. Once you are in, now choose your service provider under the mobile network option. In my case, my service provider is Zong. So, I click on it. Once you are in your service provider settings, then scroll down until you find Choose Network option. Once you find it, then simply click on it. Once you are in the Choose Network settings, then simply toggle off Automatically Select Network option. After some loading, you'll get a prompt to choose network manually. Follow the prompts and select your desired network. If none of these solutions have worked so far, it's time to try using a VPN. This can help bypass restrictions or issues with your current network. Download and install Turbo VPN from the Google Play Store. To install VPN, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you are in, then click on the search bar and type Turbo VPN, and hit the Enter button, and then select it from the result. Then you will see Install button instead of Open button. Simply click on the Install to start the downloading. Once installed, open the app by tapping on the Open button. Once you are in the app, then tap on the caret icon to connect to a server location. When the connection request prompt appears, tap on the OK, and let the app connect you. After connecting VPN, go and again check. I hope your problem will be resolved. And there you have it. These methods should help you resolve the "this site can't be reached" error on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.